guys, this is the Anything Cook.
And today, she will be cooking.
Let's have some fun.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Anything Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 5-minute brownie in a mug. There's only a few ingredients that you need and it's quick and easy to make. So it's great for if you just craving for something sweet or chocolatey and you only have 5 minutes on your hands. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, so let's quickly go through the ingredients. Firstly, you'll need a microwavable mug. You're going to need some cake flour, some granulated sugar, white or brown, whichever you prefer. We'll need a pinch of salt, some nuts, which is optional, so you can use almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, whatever you like. I've got some chocolate here. You can use chocolate chips or whatever chocolate you prefer. We're going to need some milk or water if you'd like to make it vegan, some vegetable oil, and some cocoa powder. Okay, so let's start. So we'll need about a 1/4 cup of flour, and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. If you'd like to use a little bit less, you can. I prefer mine not so sweet, so I'm just going to take some sugar out, but a 1/4 cup of sugar is fine. And then to that, we're just going to add a pinch of salt, just to bring out the flavor of the chocolate. And then just sprinkle some nuts. And then just a small piece of chocolate or some chocolate chips. And then just crumble it in. If you want chunks, just put the chunks in. And then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Let's measure that out. Okay, so we've done all of our dry ingredients. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or you can use 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we'll add about 3 tablespoons of milk, or water or almond milk. And then we just need to stir everything. So if you find that the that the batter is a bit sticky, you can just add a little bit of water to thin it out a little bit. Just make sure that all of the powders have mixed in, so we don't have blobs of powder in the middle of the brownie. Okay, so we're just going to mix it so that everything is combined. Okay, that looks great. So now we'll put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and then you'll take a look at it. Sometimes you'll need to put in a little bit longer. So we'll try it for 1.5 minutes, and then you'll increase on increments of 10 seconds every time. Okay, so our brownie is ready and it's ready to serve. So you can add some vanilla ice cream or whipped cream or whatever you like on top, and just wait for it to cool a little bit, and then we're ready to serve. So don't forget to give our video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.